Alright guys, so I am on a service call today. This is on a collar job, and I'm also going to be sharing a quick tip on suspension rods. So if you have a rod that is too tall, meaning the spring itself is too tall, I'll explain to you how to mitigate that. So what we're doing today, we have two identical rods. Now, the issue pretty much is one of the springs, or both the springs really, are too long. One is too short and one is too long. The rods, perfect length, but you can't use the rod on the left because the spring is too short. So what we're going to do, we're going to transfer one spring to the other. So now that allows you to use either of the springs, really, or the rods, to accommodate whatever repair you need. So if you accidentally bought the wrong rod, you're able to remove your spring from your washer and put it on, and that completes the repair pretty much. So, but basically what we're doing a collar repair, and you'll see what I'm doing as we remove the spring and install the collar, and you'll see the repair at the end. All right. So the rods we have, as you see, were the same length. The only issue, the springs were too short. Now, since I'm using the collar or collars, I'm not able to use the other rods. Now, I will link my other video, which it's a new rod modification. You see that black portion, the nipple at the bottom? We now have a collar to fit that. So all that will be linked, and you'll be able to use the collar on either of the rods, making them excellent rods. They work once they're fixed. In fact, this call, it's for an elderly neighbor, and we're actually doing her rods, and she'll get a year warranty on this repair. So I'm very confident in the collars. That's why I share it. And the beautiful thing about it is you can also revisit and tighten it up if it gets loose over time. So it's a really good repair. So excellent. You can extend the springs and you're good to go. You'll see when I install the collar, and you'll see the difference on the washer. Now, I'm not showing the actual repair. I'm just showing the process and how it is once the job is done. It's night and day, and I will link the collar in the description. All right, guys, enjoy the rest of the video.